Welcome to Getting Rich with Rich. I'm Rich, founder of Under the Radar Report. Welcome back. Welcome to 2025. It's been a big year already. I can't believe it. We've only hit February and already the markets have been tumultuous. It's so exciting. Look, as you know, we haven't been resting. 2 January, we released our small cap dividend portfolio. Then we've had our fundies roundtable. Then we had our nuclear reports. New coverage of a gold stock. We've had new best buys. It's all happening. Look, our small cap dividend portfolio has a track record. So it's a track record that goes well no matter what the market. We've achieved 20% return a year in the past few years. That's double the return of the market. What's the secret? You might be asking. Well, add the dividend filter onto quality companies, then add in our stock valuations, and this has been a recipe for making money year in, year out at really great returns. Check it out. We've also been talking to some of Australia's top performing fund managers in small caps. Look, these are guys at the top of their game. They're talking about their big holdings, the ones they've been selling out of, tips on trading, the market fundamentals, where their portfolios are positioned. You can read their comments in our recent issues. The one tip that stood out for me was something that I live by. You can't go broke taking a profit. Always remember that. My grandfather actually told me that. The other big point to stress, which we keep stressing, is always understand what you own. Look, it's that simple, and we help you in this department. So don't worry. Subscribers have been asking me what Trump means for investing. Well, I'll say this, tariffs are never good, but it's notable how quickly he changes his mind. And I would just say, ignore him. This is what businesses are doing in the main, with the notable exceptions, I guess, of Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Jeff Bezos. But, ignore him. Uncertainty means opportunity. This month, we took advantage when nuclear stocks got sold off. We saw the opportunity, the deep seek phenomenon, the AI fears. We thought, right, the big demand is not going away. Supply still needs to ratchet up to meet demand. We are backing quality stocks. So that's what we did. And we've been having nuclear analysis on the industry analysis in the past few issues, and we backed it up by buying Boss Energy, by buying Silex Systems, by buying Paladin Energy. The first two stocks are notable in how they've jumped back. Look, read the research. That's what I'll encourage you to do. Read the research. Read our recent notes. We've got more Boss analysis coming out next week. Read that. Look, I'm confident we're going to see more and more deals this year. Why? We're going to see takeovers. We're going to see all sorts of action. I've never seen more money sitting on the sideline. Private equity are just begging to do deals. They have to do it, otherwise they lose the money. Industry needs growth. Small caps, mid caps, Australian companies are the place where you can get growth. They're good value too. Add that into the bargain. Especially when you're pricing them in US dollars. We saw Insignia get taken over. It's just a harbinger of things to come. Look, in any case, what we're actually seeing are investors jumping in before deals are done. We've had some really big gains on stocks that we cover. Medtech, Somnomed, Cyclopharm, Medical Developments. These stocks have gone through a lot of pain, but now we can see the light. More importantly, big fund managers are coming in and buying these stocks. That's where you get your under the radar effect. That's when you get your double whammy. Look, it's not just medtech. Paragon Care, that's also in the medical sphere, but Pure Profile, marketing, like Visan, water treatment. These are stocks that are being bought, and there are many, many more stocks where we see value that are in the firing line. Now is the time to be reading our research. Now is the time to be really working out how you want your portfolio positioned. This is where we help. You're in luck. What's coming up is loads and loads of companies reporting, because we've got reporting season ramping up and it's going to be big. So you literally cannot afford to miss the next few issues. It's great to see you again. I look forward to talking to you on Getting Rich with Rich. It's great to be back. Welcome to 2025.